Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and taking fast actions that often remove lag immediately. First, install system and app updates so optimizations and bug fixes apply. Once done, clear space until at least 20% storage is free. Low storage causes slowdowns. Then restart the Poco M6 Pro. A cold reboot clears memory fragmentation and rogue processes. If you see heat spikes during idle, stop heavy syncs and charge cycles before continuing, because overheating masks performance gains. Next, adjust system behavior to prioritize responsiveness. Open battery or app launch settings and prevent unnecessary apps from auto-starting so RAM stays available. This reduces background CPU use. Then enable developer options and lower window, transition, and animator scale to 0. 5. To speed UI rendering. It feels snappier because frames render faster. Also remove or disable vendor apps you don't use and clear app caches. Cached corruption can cause stutters. After each change, reboots. To finish, validate changes and prepare a final recovery path. Backup photos, messages, and accounts, then perform a factory reset only if optimizations didn't remove lag. Fresh installs eliminate deep software corruption. Make sure the phone isn't thermally throttling. Remove heavy cases and avoid direct sun while testing. Finally, compare behavior on Wi-Fi and mobile networks to rule out network-related lag. If problems remain after reset, contact service and note exact replication steps for technicians. This helps identify hardware faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.